Okay. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? My name's Jason from Overland Eats. I'm gonna show you how to make one of my favorite camp breakfasts, a crab and brie cheese quiche. I know breakfast can seem a little daunting, you know, if you're doing anything more than like fried eggs and a piece of bacon, but this you do with only 7 ingredients. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I've just turned on my pizza oven. Today I'm using the Camp Chef Pro 60 along with the pizza oven attachment. You really need some sort of like oven to do the quiche to make sure it comes out right, because you gotta get the heat up from the top as well. So while this is heating up to around 350, 375, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this pie crust in. So now that I've got my crust heating up, I wanna go ahead and combine my ingredients in this mixing bowl and fluff it up really nice. So first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and crack my eggs and get them on in there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put a full cup of half and half into my egg mixture. Again, if you're only making one quiche, you just need a half a cup. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and add my Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. You can use whatever kind of Cajun seasoning or whatever kind of seasoning you like. I add a lot of this because I like a little bit of heat in mine, so I'm gonna go ahead and add about a tablespoon. I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my chives and add them to the mixture. So now that I've got my mixture all prepped, I wanna get this really, really nice and mixed and fluff it up and get those air bubbles to show. As soon as this crust starts to brown up, that's when I'm gonna go ahead and add my mixture. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my, my brie cheese here. So I'm just gonna chop this up, and what I'm trying to do is in pretty thin slices here, so I can add a little bit to the bottom of my pie crust and then also add a little bit to the top. There's not much better than melted brie cheese though, don't you think? All right, so I'm gonna check this, and yeah, it looks like it's just starting to brown, and my pizza oven here is rolling right at 375, so I'm gonna pull this out and start assembling my quiche. Before I put my mixture in, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of that brie cheese. I just broke it up with my fingers and added it to the bottom. And this is also where I'm gonna add some of my jumbo lump crab meat. So go ahead and mix that in there in the bottom. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pour about half of my mixture over all of that good stuff, just to where it coats the whole bottom. Now I'm gonna go ahead and lay my last couple of pieces of brie right into that mixture. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right back into the oven. So I've had this quiche in the oven for about 30 minutes at between 350, 375, but this guy should be nice and ready, so let's go ahead and pull them out and see how it looks. Oh yeah, that's just what you want right there. That's what you want. See how it's got those air bubbles in it? So there you go, guys. Crab and brie cheese quiche, super easy with 7 ingredients. For more videos, click on the ones on your screen or go to campchef.com. Bon appetit. Okay. Okay. You guys better get in here.